Here's how you set it up so you can see your YouTube viewer count in OBS Studio privately. First thing we need to do is log in to streamlabs.com. Sign in using your YouTube. Once you're in your Streamlabs dashboard, scroll down and select all widgets. Then scroll down until you see Viewer Count. Select it, then scroll down and make sure the YouTube Viewers box is checked so it'll show our YouTube viewer count. Also make sure you scroll down and click on Save Settings. Next, we need to copy our widget URL. Now that we have the URL of the viewer count widget copied, it's time to add it to our docs in OBS Studio. Back in OBS Studio, click on the Docs tab and select Custom Browser Docs. This will pop up a menu where you can add your widget URL to a doc and name it. I name our new doc YouTube Viewer Count. Then in the URL box to the right-click it and paste the URL we copied from the Streamlabs widget. Then hit Apply. You can drag and drop the new doc with our YouTube Viewer Count widget around in OBS to dock it on the interface wherever you choose. You can also activate or deactivate the dock easily in the Docs drop-down menu. I am ReaperDigital. I hope this video helps, and thank you all for watching.